Welcome students. Previous lecture we have seen formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, and the formula is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. We have also seen some examples on it. Today we see formula for the perimeter of a square. Here we have given one square. We know that the length of all the sides of a square are equal. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of one of its sides. So, we get formula perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into the length of one side. Let us see one example. The length of one of a square is 6 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Here one figure is given. Square has 6 centimeter side. So all sides are 6 centimeter. We use formula. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So put the values in it. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is 24 centimeter. Now we see some word problems on rectangle and square. First example is the length of a rectangular park is 100 meter while its width is 80 meter. What is its perimeter? We draw a rectangular park. We draw a figure. In rectangular park, length is 100 meter and width is 80 meter. So we use formula for perimeter of rectangular is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into breadth. This is equal to, we put values of length is 100. So 2 into 100 plus 2 into breadth is 80 is equal to 200 plus 160 is equal to 360. Add it and we get perimeter of the rectangular park is 360 meter. Now another example we see here. How much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot with side 30 meter? And also ask what will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 70 per meter. So we draw one diagram. We draw a square of 30 meter side. We draw a square of 30 meter side. To put a single fence around the square plot, we need to find its perimeter. And we know the formula. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So put the value 4 into 30. Side is 30 meter. So multiply 4 into 30 is equal to 120 meter. The perimeter of the square plot is 120 meters. Since the fence is to be a triple fence, we must triple the perimeter. Now we multiply 120 into 3 is equal to 360 meter of wire will be needed. Now let us find out how much the wire will cost. 1 meter of wire cost is rupees 70. Therefore, the cost of 360 meter of wire will be 360 multiply 70 is equal to, multiply it and we get 25,200. Therefore, the cost of the wire for putting a triple fence around the plot will be rupees 25,200. Rupees 25,200 for fencing. For fencing triple time means triple the square plot. Triple the square plot. Thank you.